Ifo Japasu, the station manager for Onua FM. And I antisa correct. One o team nina. Ye papa Abu Isa one o team. Mia menuan mamu free lankwanta Madina Municipal Assembly ebae. Ejani enanuma yeshia waha. Uma minyina existing protocol no so yata protocol no befa time no. Na me wa 5 minutes pa me de bedi say adwuma. Because me nyanko office I info bi twa me wo parliamentar ministry I was say me ko na me ko attend to. Ejani enanom mumwa me na Onua FM. Ye mo mabaso. And then anka me ho kire me. Enya de anka menya tamaba. By mpenyindie wo hoi se uma we excuses edoso a untimi perform. Mpenyinfo si fa kwa echichira aboa no. Ehwa na esane no. February last year 2024 ye nyina ka ho na ebe launch Yɛn Nsɛmpa program ewo ha. Na ye abato afi. Nti amanyofo ne ho kire no kura o de speed ba. Ya to aba na wie by ochina nso beba biu. Nti omu frame me say oh honorable ye launchi Yɛn Nsɛmpa program no afia ba. Na ye pese ye di Yɛn 1 year anniversary. Na me wa appointments bebre. You see no, I was say me call. Enti say me gina ha ma Yem Papa, His Excellency, President John Dramani Mahama. Osin de mu ye no nani so. We nanke ye juma I was say. But media general, mo take lead no. Enti de mu ye no, osin me fa nchia emamu. Ni etosu mienu programmer endi 2 years afi pe nanso mo ahwere aba beda number 2 in among all the morning shows in the whole country. Yamamutrenkwa. Ndi etosu miensa mo atwe aban na dwen aba besi sustainable development goals no so. Say yeti Ghana na ye hwe ni say oh United Nations Organization for omo sustainable development goals entisa eye noama e was a ye domesticate na ndiema ye ni nkosu bebre ni ye omo de sustainable SDGs ni by agenda 2030 and African leaders eka say agenda 2063. Time is not a friend to anybody. Yen eka wiase no ho. Ghana is a member of the United Nations organizations. And it say UN eka say by 2030 youth must be empowered. Accountable governance, government must be accountable. Sanitation must be this level. Water must be provided, everything. They are not talking for United Nations in the mass. A United Nations na Ghana, yes, ye can. But nanke was a ye domesticity by agenda 2063. Ye fan say we mrofono dia. By 2030, no. If we partner with media general, we can achieve most of the sustainable development goals. Intermediate general afamu 4, sustainable development goal 3, goal 4, goal 6, and I go 8. Ma on say moi for 4. And I modi the she project. And I modi the she project, sanitation, health, and empowerment. Na the media general dia sin any sui se muye ni ya Ghana be. Mrs. muye ni ya Ghana be den. Ghana yenyina ye kan ho. Na sustainable development goals we na ye nti ha na ye former vice president. Or the behavioral change communication program by 1 to the sustainable development goal ninti. And the fan say ne Ghana dia into owuko ye no ya jama no soko. And I'm referee behavioral change communication. And our former vice president Aliu Mama wa bodam na wojin so. And I'm referee can sustainable development goals no by oye ni chi into one highlighting is enu namrofo no dia ka ho eno moye no behavioral change communication leading to attitudinal change to bring sanitation enye no a enti ye no ma na namrofo no fa package di breyo enti muma ya nkasa emfa hu ne de odi kan ko hu ye let's all embrace it. Look, Yempra 28th February. Not every Friday be a Yempra. If there is no behavioral change communication leading to attitudinal change, ube pragu ye defo from go. Ana entisa. That is it. Enti sashi project na media general through Onua FM edi bano. The solution to sanitation in Ghana is a behavioral change communication leading to attitudinal change. Was a media houses in a partner. Media general has taken the lead. Onua is already ahead. Inti Onua musi Yɛn Nsɛmpa entisa. Inti se say Onua one step ahead. Ana man you are one step ahead, oh. All others will chase you. Because we are no. It is something every media house. NCC director so director titi NCC na atwamo. We ni noama ese modika ho. We time NCC eba 1992 no na Ghana form nim se na yebetu aba. Na ye ni members of parliament. Na ye were only 2 MPs, our former MPs, among the 200 MPs. And to know more mad how to vote, civic responsibilities. Say yen problems to no sanitation now meaning about 200 years me too. Ya 9 times and I'm by sanitation no a son of the major problems. And the Onua a partner NCC menim say ombema mu media space. Now one ma education on sanitation. So helping the She project to spread. And it is not only going to be civic education. There be a holistic living because sanitation is part of our culture. A part of our life. And this idea na omade bano NCC you must partner them. Ndietosu miensa Onua always ahead. Omoya one step ahead. Education and empowerment na mode ka ono. Sir, we were thinking as a ministry. Sir, usha TV amumu timiko the remotest part of the country. Na mubekwa na ma etiti form. School for etiti form nkonwa ni ho. School dan kra ni ho. Poor schools infrastructure. Mwana ya mukwa amudeba. As a ministry, you be invite mo. It is not enough to identify the problem. You must proceed to solve the problem. Now, adia me maho, mako parliament 17 years ni. Adia maho ni se muko hu school nuba. Na MP na owo no. Ni lobbying skills ni sa no man enye da powerful na say ho for still la bebre. But as a ministry, those schools of shame, those let's deprive community schools now with those challenges. It is part of the empowerment now. She project ebe highlighting. Intimu compiling in every year. How many of them? Namu diabana yaji. When the school dying, ya prioritize it. The school kunya, ya prioritize it. The inadequacy of teachers, ya prioritize it. There will be balanced development. Said the year shushe ewo omai no. Enti emfa woni se wempe no ombonoma. Onua dauroma ne emohwehwe no munsabeka. Emfa woni se mudisi monoma. Onua dauroma ne emohwehwe no munsabeka. So Onua will partner you as a ministry to bring balance and holistic development. The agenda to reset no more be you. Those days, na Radio Ghana, Radio 1, and I antisa. That time na establish NCC, no. NCC, they say enya Radio 1 biomo, enya Radio Ghana biomo, a competitive media space. And the obi the initiative say ba fa ho bono. It may not be government owned, but udu ho bono we would think as a ministry, either local government, education, and information, how to partner and do those things. Because yen ministry no ekati bebia. It's all about local governance. Provision of water, WOHO, peace, WOHO, education, WOHO, information, WOHO, health. Say health in so can. Ubekwana di oba pin for ashe motokimu. Aye dine ko travel kilometers to go and give birth. So maternal mortality ekashi project no. So such a thing, why don't we support you? So going forward, Mama, 5 minutes. But one here, when you give me time, we'll spend the time here, but the chiefs are waiting for me. But the sheep project is loaded. As a UDHRA, Obekasa Unwi. By minim say, Onua WOHO. Efo Jakwasu WOHO. Mi regional director Tininchen. Ye be away wa Madina hay. Enye the last of its kind. Samuda number 2. With sheep project number 1, no mubetuno. Mubetuno. Because we're development communication. And yet just kasao. And ye way utia as a sawa brabo. And who doesn't want transformation? We all need transformation. You need a transformed life. I also need a transformed life. So, in conclusion, before I came here, me a media person, but not by profession, but me a friend to the media. And to me watch it, sometimes me watch it, so many stations to see what is going on. But that community project, I identify the vulnerable in the society, what they are going through. Say, mun compile as a ministry. Budget sake no muna way. Muma Yɛn Nsɛmpa. That is how the resetting must be done. Yeah, the share constitution say balanced development, geographical representation. That is not enough. The media must bring duty bearers to be responsive to the needs of the people. Ekashi project no. And if you want to interpret this 3-letter word, it means a lot. But and say me share 24-hour economy na si wo ha. Eye da say me pon na me twaso. Na me ko twaso baby. And on behalf of Excellency the President, I want to bring down the curtain here and why Efo Jakwaso and his thing continue. Then I will go and continue at Parliament and proceed to the ministry, where there's a long queue waiting for me. But the me say, And then me a minister. Banana yanom and a tray jumayo. Emrana me free time 2009 buying crying. Not me name how this work will be done. No. But what training me and that anaya Mr. Mabe minister. Ente enjame mo maya ntwaso. Use your media house.
Yes.
To straighten us. Because in you yi kwano nim say nechiacha. So say mo say baby chia bring us to book.
Yeah, Bekapa.
But in all this, let us form partnership for development. With that, Ghana will develop. With that, Ghana will progress. Thank you, and may God bless us.
Thank you very much. Mofansembo, Efa, Enna, Minister.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,